Hey guys, I'm back with part 2 of my Yesstyle haul. Most of these I bought with my own money, but 2 of them were sent to me from their surprise box. Let's start off with the Hada Labo Premium Lotion. I have really dehydrated skin, so I need products that help me with that. This claims to contain 5 types of hyaluronic acid: common, super, nanoscale, catonic, and 3D. It also contains urea, which is known for retaining moisture and help protect your skin barrier. It contains no fragrance, mineral oils, and colorants. The texture is somewhere between liquid and gel. I usually put this on after washing my face, and I find this to really help make my skin feel soft and hydrated. Next we have the Mitocesticide Cream by Apu. This has centella extract that's supposed to soothe inflamed and reddened skin while leaving the skin feeling hydrated. It has a gel-like texture that feels light and absorbs quickly, leaving the skin instantly moisturized. I love this moisturizer so much that I actually bought 2 of the biggest bottles that it comes in. It's very lightweight, and on days that I feel really lazy about my skincare, I feel I can wash my face and put this on and feel fine. Here we have the Milky Dress Wrinkle and Whitening Eye Cream. It contains mistletoe, rock flower, damask rose flower, bearberry leaf, and ground cherry extracts. It claims to balance water and oil to maintain skin equilibrium with a gel-like cream texture. I usually put this on only at night with a patting motion. I feel like I haven't used it enough to really see a big difference, but then again I have a very weird sleep schedule. It does feel really moisturizing around the eyes though. Up next is the Apu Subuji Sun Cotton SPF 50. This claims to contain 30% Jeju prickly pear cactus extract. It's quick absorbent and doesn't have a white cast, and I love it for that reason. It also doesn't have a sticky feeling like most Western sunscreens have, though I will say that it has a very strong fragrance smell. Now I will be sharing the 2 items that were in the surprise box that Yesstyle sent me. They sent me the Moonshot Micro Glass Fit Cushion and the Moonshot Micro Correct Fit Foundation, both in the shade 301 Honey and with SPF 50. I'll first talk about the cushion. This came in a gorgeous hollow box, and inside is a beautiful purple iridescent case. It claims to give you a glass skin effect, and it also says that it's supposed to be formulated with micropowders for a smooth, perfect complexion and keeps your skin hydrated. Second, we have the Correct Fit Foundation. This came in the same gorgeous galaxy box with hollow specks, and the bottle has more of a deep shifting purple color. It claims that it's formulated with high-performance pigments to provide full coverage for a flawless complexion, along with saying that this is long-wearing and will not oxidize and darken over time. I will now show you guys how it looks like on. I first applied the cushion to one side of my face for comparison reasons. I actually thought that these might be too warm for me based on the swatches, but as you can see in the clip, I feel like it's pretty close to my skin tone. Up next is the foundation, and I'm going to apply it to the other half of my face with a beauty blender. Since I used a beauty blender, the foundation thinned out and looks close to how the cushion looks like, though based on the swatch I did on my hand earlier, I know that if I apply it with a brush, the coverage would probably be a lot higher. Also, a little bit goes a long way. In conclusion, both of these shades are pretty much the same color. The main difference is the texture. If you see the swatch I did earlier, the cushion definitely applied thinner and is a lot more moisturizing, while the foundation seems to be much thicker and covers a lot more and feels sort of demi-matte. Both of these seem to have a bit of a white cast, which is probably due to the SPF, but I don't mind it since I feel like it helps blend with my skin better. I think both of these products are really good, and it just depends on what you want to achieve. And that's it for part 2 of my haul. Everything that I can find will be linked down below, and if you want to save some money, use my code xynthly for a few dollars off your purchase. Thank you again for Yesstyle for sending me the surprise box, and thank you so much for watching.